Let's bring in our chief legal analyst, Dan Abrams. Dan, good morning to you. It's great to have you. One of the conditions that Trump signed as part of his release was to not communicate with any potential witnesses. We saw Walt Nauta out there holding his umbrella. He's indicted in another case, the documents case. Mike Pence, you could be on a debate stage with him next month. How does all of this work?
Yeah, it's not communicate with them about the case.
Yes.
Right? That's very specific and very important in the context of the rules here. Now, it is an interesting question about what would happen in the context of a debate, right? Because they could debate this issue. They could discuss this issue on the stage.
They will be asked about it.
Yeah, so if they do end up on the same stage, one of the exceptions is you can do it in the presence of counsel, right? Do you include one of the lawyers in the audience? As a practical matter, I think if anyone's concerned about it, they would go to the court. They would say, hey, by the way, we're having a debate about this. The issue may come up. I'm sure the court would give them permission. And I think anything beyond that, conversations he has with Walt Nauta or others, remember, someone has to report it. It has to be public for anyone to raise the issue. And that's the other question is, putting aside the public nature of a debate, in a private conversation, who would be the one to actually go to the court and say, hey, by the way, we ended up talking about it?
The other big question here, Dan, is the timing of all of this. The special counsel wants a speedy trial. Is that going to happen?
The big question is going to be, does this happen before Election Day?
Right.
That's the cutoff date. There is no doubt that the special counsel wants this case to happen soon, certainly well before the election, and there is no doubt that the Trump team wants this to happen after the election. That's going to be very much in the purview of the judge. We'll see how quickly she moves this thing. I think it's unlikely, though, that it happens before the election. We'll see.
All right, Dan Abrams, we always appreciate your insight. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.